This is a story of how my Insta360 meets my Piper clipped wing. You've already seen the footage of the Insta360 on my Cessna Citation, and I really like how this footage turned out, especially during some chaotic flying sometimes. And I want to show you how I mounted the Insta360 in my plane, and then we're going out to my airfield for a really nice sunset flight, and you can enjoy the footage after that. Yep, I have prepared a very special mount for the Insta360, and let me show you around. We can just go inside my plane, and up here you can see the special mount for it to really make sure it's not going anywhere during flight, especially maybe when I'm doing a loop or a turn. And now the only thing left to do is go out to the airfield and have a nice sunset flight. Here we go. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you want to see more behind the scenes and maybe even how I was building this plane, you better check out my Instagram account, first link in the description.